Hi, Dr. Hong. My name is Grant Tanner. Hey, I wanted to make a brief video to go over some improvements that I saw on your site that would make your site perform extremely well in converting site visitors into new patients. I know this video is out of the blue, and you may be asking yourself, why is this guy sending me a video? Um, well, my agency is on a mission to help every prosthodontist to stop relying on referrals. You guys do it better. We believe in what you do and in your skill set. You're the architects of the smile and the quarterback of the treatment plan, and our goal is to re-educate the public so that they're going to see a prosthodontist first. Um, this video will be jam-packed with some improvements that you can make to see some immediate difference on your website, and it definitely will be worth your while. And if you stay to the end, I'll also give you a free gift here at the end of the video. First things first, a lot of great information on the website. I love, this image here of the family smiling, so it kind of exudes confidence, and that beautiful smile. I like that you know exactly what kind of practice this is when you land on the site. It's a dental specialty group. I like that you have the address right up here, prevalent, top right of the website. You've also got your phone number here, so it's easy for people to call you. All right, having said that, I did notice a couple of improvements right off the bat. One thing here, if you click on this Contact Us button, that it just doesn't work. The button just, the link is broken, doesn't work, so you can't really go to a Contact Us button. Although you do have this to make an appointment with Dr. Hong, click here, and that does take you to an appointment form for you. So I think that's good, and that's good to have on the main page. So my agency, we follow a system that was developed by Donald Miller, and he is the best-selling author of a book called Story Brand Marketing. And one of the things that he teaches is does your the first up here is called the header, right? Does your header pass the grunt test, which is, can a caveman explain 3 things when he goes to your website? Number 1, what is it that you offer? Number 2, how will it make my life better? And number 3, what do I need to do to buy it? Okay, so I mentioned before, I like this image. I think it could even be larger and take up some more real estate up here in the precious part, up here in your website. So what is it that you offer? Silicon Valley Dentist, dental implants, cosmetic dentistry, tooth replacement, CEREC 1, visit dentistry, and orthodontics. Okay, so I think that's fairly clear. How will it make my life better? And here's my first area of my first suggestion here is you maybe portray that a little bit better, right? How does it make my life better, right? Is it confidence restored? Is it a beautiful smile? Is it less pain? Basically, I think it's important to talk about that because you need to draw people in that way. And then the third thing, as mentioned previously, is what do I need to do to buy it? And I think you get into that a little bit down here. You say to make an appointment with Dr. Hong, click here, and so that, I would be able to book an appointment. But let's bring a call to action up here, right? And then this who we are. I think that's important, but I think it's taking up, it's detracting from the main message here, right? Which is, what's the offer? How will it make my life better? And what do I need to do to buy it? Following that up, I think it's important to list your value proposition, right? So I think maybe that's where you could just move this area here a little bit down and talk about, hey, well, what is it that they get, right? What are the main 3 benefits of seeing a prosthodontist? Maybe it's a couple of icons with bold print, some before and after pictures, but I think it's important to talk about, you are a board certified prosthodontist. What does that mean for somebody? They don't understand that you went to an additional 3 or 4 years to get that specialty, and you're board certified, which means you're the best of the prosthodontists as well. So you're the best of the best. And what does that mean to them, right? What are they going to get? And I think it's important to spell that out up here, right? So you kind of say, hey, here's what we provide, but you're lacking some of the, well, what does that mean for me? What's the benefit? And I think it's also important to spell out the plan. How does it work? 3 easy steps, right? Step 1, come in for our free consultation, or step 1, take advantage of our current holiday special. Step 2, come in and see me. Step 3. So it's easy. You got to spell it out. Step 1, step 2, step 3. The other thing I noticed here is you don't have any testimonials on this first page. So I notice you have this review tab, and some of these a lot of these reviews, there's a jumble here. It looks like quite a few reviews in here. 2016 is the most recent, so I would say, keep going on getting these reviews. It's important to see, oh, someone left a review in 2017. Bring some of those reviews up to the homepage. They need to be brief. They need to be easy to read. What are the results that they can expect, right? Before even giving them an opportunity to book an appointment, they're going to see some of that social proof and know that other people that were in their same situation were able to get their pains, their problems taken care of. Following that, I think it's important to talk about your authority, and I do think it's important to educate someone on what does it mean to be a board-certified prosthodontist, and have that be down here underneath the testimonials. And then you could go into a further explanation at that point once they've kind of seen, okay, I know what's in it for me. What is it about Dr. Hong that is going to make me want to go see him? And then finally, I think you do have the right idea here to say, to make an appointment with Dr. Hong, click here. So those are just some improvements that I saw right off the homepage. And let me show you an example of what I mean by some of these suggestions. So here's an example of a website that I think really exemplifies some of these qualities. So this is actually a website that we did for a prosthodontist in Cary, North Carolina. And you can kind of see what I mean here by passing the grunt test. What do you offer? So, hey, what's in it for them? What do we offer? Beauty and confidence restored to your smile. Okay, so I see, hey, maybe I'm not self-confident with my smile, maybe I want to be more beautiful, maybe I need something restored, a tooth restored. And it says a prosthodontist turns your dream of a beautiful and functional smile into reality. And then what do I need to do to get it? Book an appointment. And it brings you right down to a contact page, or to a contact form where they can fill out their info. Okay, so I think that's important. We did go through kind of the value proposition. Dental specialist, restoration professional. Hey, what can a prosthodontist do for me? This is directed directly at that. Hey, what do they get, right? And then, as I mentioned before, you should spell out the plan. Hey, step 1, step 2, step 3. You really gotta hold their hand. They're visiting your website. You gotta captivate them. Hold their hand and walk them through the process. Here's exactly what I want you to do. Step 1, step 2, step 3, right? And then, of course, as I mentioned before, bring some of those testimonials to the front page of your website so they understand your authority. And of course, on this particular web page as well, we educated a little bit more about why a prosthodontist. We want people to understand that they treat complex dental conditions. They have an extra 3 years of rigorous formal training. They're highly skilled specialists, state-of-the-art technology, and that kind of thing. That's important. Okay. So the other thing I wanted to mention to you is it looks like in the past, just looking at, we have a tool here called SpyFu, and it helps us with our clients kind of see where the traffic is coming from on their website. So I took a look at your site, and as of right now, you're not running paid advertising, pay-per-click advertising, but it looks like you did in the past, at least like the beginning of this year, and then maybe it dropped off in August and you stopped. So maybe you had that going and you turned it off because you weren't seeing results. I don't necessarily know, but it was driving a lot of traffic to your site, and then you maybe didn't see results and it fell off. You just kind of ended the contract with whoever was doing that. But let me just, just talk about that for a second. You're not getting a ton of site traffic right now, 130 people or so on a monthly basis. And I don't know how well your site's converting, but with the suggestions I just had, I know you can convert more site visitors into patients that way. But let's take a look at some of these ads that you did have running, and then I can see how they were doing. So let's say a cosmetic dentist, molar dental implants, Polident ingredients. That's weird that you would rank for that. Tooth crown, okay, dental implants. Let's look at some of this ad. So dental implants, Sunnyvale, certified dental implants. Call for a free consultation. Location San Jose, Sunnyvale, Cupertino, Santa Clara, Palo Alto. Okay, so let's see where this ad actually brings you. So you click on the ad, and okay, so it just brings you back to your homepage. Well, I know that this person was searching for dental implants, right? So I know that there's something wrong with their teeth. Maybe they're missing teeth. They know they need dental implants. And instead of talking about dental implants on what they click on, you channel them back just to your homepage, right? Where, yeah, you mention dental implant surgeries and dentures and cosmetic dentistry, but it's you haven't passed the grunt test right to them. They want to know, hey, what's the implant offer? What's it going to do to make my life better, and what do I need to do to buy it? What are the 3 main benefits? What's the plan? Are there testimonials strictly regarding dental implants? Why does it make you, what about your practice makes you different for dental implants? Maybe you have a video. Maybe you ask questions. Hey, are you in blank amount of pain? Are you are you tired of having your dental treatments fail in the past? That kind of thing. So I think that's really important, and I'll show you an example of a really high converting landing page that we're currently running for Dr. Coford. So they see this is a denture campaign. Someone goes to Facebook and sees a denture ad, or they go to Google and type in, hey, I'm having problems with dentures. They see our ad, they click on it, and instead of just being channeled to the homepage, they're getting channeled to a high converting, specific to them landing page. So it's very simple and pretty self-explanatory. Hey, are you having problems with your dentures? Well, sure they are, because they were looking for that inside of Google. And then we go into the pain a little bit more. Embarrassed by tooth shape or coloration, no longer have to suffer with low quality, poor fitting dentures that are causing you to miss out on family activities this holiday season. So they're getting, hey, how is this going to make my life better? Oh, well, I'm addressing these pain points, right? And then we have affordable solutions for your needs. And then here's the offer. Claim my digital denture workup voucher now. It's a $497 value. So this particular dentist that we work with, he has a new digital denture machine that he wanted to advertise for. And we go down and people can learn more about this. Hey, what's the process? Again, spell it out for them. Step 1, step 2, step 3, testimonials, and a way to sign up. Now, when you address their concerns right off the bat like that, it's very different than what the competition is doing on Google and on Facebook. We average about 2 denture leads per day for this particular campaign, and Dr. Coford is ecstatic. I mean, he's swamped out for the next month and a half. So I wanted to show you the difference on just channeling people to a standard homepage versus where you could be channeling people when you know what they're searching for, and make the landing page specific to what they're searching for, and you can see much better results that way. So if you're like most of the doctors that we work with, you'd probably tell me that your website or your marketing doesn't perform the way that you wish it would perform. If your website and your marketing is not bringing you the new patients that you think it should be bringing you, or you want it to perform even better, you can just hit reply to this email. I'd love to learn more about the challenges that you're currently facing with your practice. And I've also got a special offer for you as well today. So step one is watch this video that we created for you, which you are doing currently. So appreciate your time in doing that. And step two is book a free strategy with us. We'd love to see where you're at with your practice, and we'd love to help you dominate your competition here in 2018. And we're offering a free, no obligation strategy session where we're going to go through and show you the Patient Rainmaker system. I'll take a step back. So again, my name's Grant. You can see me here at patientrainmaker.com. And we are an advertising agency that works exclusively with prosthodontists, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So we'd love to walk you through, the system that we've developed, and we'll all go through it step by step with you. And it really teaches you what we're doing to help you and to help other prosthodontists really dominate their competition. And my hope to you is that you make 2018 really the best and most successful year that you've had to date in your practice. So, so that would be step two, is book your free session to discuss that. And I do have something for you as well. If when you hit this page, if you do book our strategy call before the timer expires, we will also give you a free banner ad that you can use on your website. So going back to your website, it would just be, maybe there's a banner ad up here that says, hey, come in for, we could do a special holiday offer, some kind of coupon to get people clicking on that. And we'd be happy to do that for you for free. Even if we chat on the phone and, we decide it's not a good fit, you'd still get that free banner ad offer for your website. And then step three is just choose the time that works best for you, and we'll hop on a phone call. Hey, really appreciate your time in watching this video, and I hope to chat with you soon on a strategy session. Thanks. Bye-bye.